Hello, nice to have you here. EDI is excellent when partners are connected, formats are stable, and processes are clearly defined. But in many companies, that is only part of the story. A lot of business documents still arrive as PDFs: orders, confirmations, delivery notes, invoices, or other supply chain documents. For humans, a PDF may look perfectly readable. For ERP, EDI, or API-based downstream systems, it is often still a dead end. Think of it like airport luggage. A suitcase without a machine-readable destination tag may be clear to a person, but the automatic baggage system does not know where to send it. That is the practical EDI gap. PEDIF helps close this gap. It does not replace EDI. It complements EDI where partners still send PDFs. For recurring, known document layouts, PEDIF can help recognize the document structure, extract relevant business data, and validate it before handoff. The result is not just a readable document. It is structured, downstream-ready data for the configured process. And when a document is unknown, changing, or ambiguous, the path is review, not blind automation. So the partner can continue sending PDFs. Your process receives structured data. That is how PDF to EDI helps companies close the gap between partner reality and system requirements. Read the full article to see where PDFs still create an EDI gap in your document flow.